Have you ever been in a situation where you have to read a document and you don't just know how to read it because your phone does not have the required document or application to open that document? Most times people resort to going to Play Store and downloading some softwares, maybe Microsoft and so on. At the end, they realize that they are limited to maybe they have to buy a Pro. What if you are told that your phone comes with an inbuilt complete Microsoft suite that you don't need any Pro? What I mean is your phone comes with a software that you can read Microsoft Word documents, produce Microsoft Word documents, edit Microsoft Word documents. It comes with another software that you can read Microsoft Excel documents, edit Microsoft Word, produce Microsoft Excel, and the same with Microsoft PowerPoint. A lot of you don't know, but I'm going to show in this video. Now scroll to your phone and go to Google Drive. All right, so click on Drive. I'm going to show you something. Now when you click on Drive, your Drive opens. If you have never opened Drive before, there's a lot about Drive. Click on this plus sign. Let us just take this lesson today. So when you click on this plus sign, you realize that you see folder, upload, scan. Now you don't know that you can scan a document with Google, with this here Google Drive. You don't even need to download any scanner. All right, but we're not going to do scanning. I just want to show you. You see these Google Docs. This Google Docs, this is Microsoft Word. This Google Sheets, this is Excel. This Google Slide, this is PowerPoint, which means with this Google Doc, you can read any Word document. You can convert the Word document to PDF or any format that you want. With this Google Sheet, you can read any Excel document, produce Excel sheets, spreadsheets. And with this Google Slide, you can produce your PowerPoint presentation, PowerPoint show. So to get this, for example, I've already gotten my Google Docs. To get this, say sheet, Google Sheet, you just have to click it and will take you to Play Store. This is it, and you're going to download it. So while it's downloading, let's just go back and let me show you so I said you click. Now if you don't see this plus, please just scroll down and see the plus. If I click now this Google Docs, all right, if I click on this Google Docs, you see untitled document, you should see this is a whole Microsoft. All right, let me just click on these three lines here to change the background to white and click on view on lighting. All right, so you can type, anything that you want to type. You can add, maybe you want to add image, you want to add table, you want to add whatsoever, you can add it, okay? And you write, you can add, change color of your text, background color, or so. I mean, you can do everything that you do in Excel. I mean, on your computer, you can do everything. If you want to name your document, you just click here, you name it. Okay, so you want to save it. You want to click this, you take save as, and then you click save as. You can decide to save it as PDF or any format that you want. So simple. All right. Yeah, and if you see, there are some documents here which I can now read. I can read these Microsoft documents only with this Microsoft Word installed on my phone. I don't need to download any any app from Play Store. So you see, I can still click here to put a view in lighting. All right, it's just internet that is telling you see everything. I generated this not with my computer, this document. I generated it on my phone. So let's go back and see if our sheet, okay, it's about finishing. All right, our Google Sheet is open, so you can click on it. You sign in with any email and you just take okay. You see, you click on this plus sign. Now with this Google Sheet downloaded, you can open any app. You can read any Microsoft Excel document. You can come here to change your email. And remember, any email opens another Google Sheet for you. So if I click on this plus, it will say creating sheets. And let us see the template. Your spreadsheet is in dark theme. To change it, I click on this 3 and I take view in light theme. I mean, everything that you can do, if you know Excel on a computer, everything that you can do on Excel, all the formula that you use, you can use it on the spreadsheet here in your phone. All right, you can use it. All right, so now I had a document which I wanted to, okay, let's go back and let me show you something about let me show you something. If you want to download or Google Slide is for PowerPoint. As you can see, you can just add your templates, add the things that you want, and you create your PowerPoint. Very simple. You can also read PowerPoint documents. I had an Excel document which I created on ChatGPT. I think here it is, but I couldn't open it because I never had Excel. Okay, I think this is it. Just hope internet is good so it opens. All right, file expired, but that is fine. So I'm just going to go to, let me see if I have a chance. No way. So I'll go to docs. It should be in my documents, right? All right, this is it. So now I can read. When I click on it, you see they give me options. I don't want to use phonics, I want to use sheets. So I click on sheets. And if you see it in Excel, all right, I want to change it to maybe light theme. Beautiful. Right. So you don't have to go to Google to download something. No. It is just free. It's just free. It comes with every phone. Once again, to get it, look for Drive. You have Drive, okay? And then you click on the plus sign, you get the apps.